Hello and welcome. Today is all about the settings of the laser and how to actually burn this down, because that's what you do with lasers. Is whatever a laser does, it burns it away. It evaporates the material, or it evaporates it so quickly that it actually burns the material or changes the material to a charcoal state if you go black, or a darker color than what the original surface color or untouched material is. So these are subject matter for this one, and we will do a more complex one a little bit later if we've got time. This one, for instance, a nice stream in a forest, thick forest, you know, with snow and rocks, and the laser will actually put that onto, well, any material that you'd like actually, other than metal. Okay, these CO2 lasers will not etch or engrave or cut metal. 100 watts is not powerful enough. You need 300 watts to sort of even cut 1.5 millimeter thick mild steel. So 100 watt laser just won't do it. Aluminium won't even scratch it. Won't touch it at all. Because it's all about energy and the material, or the material that you fire the laser at, its ability to either accept that energy or dissipate that energy quickly. It's a little bit like electricity, you know, it's sort of high up the ladder. Gold will transmit electricity very, very good. That's why they use it in computer circuitry. And indeed, that's how chips are manufactured. And of course, a few more levels down, you've got things like copper and brass and aluminium. So whatever material is good for dissipating or for electricity to flow through, it has the opposite effect with a laser. Okay? These metals will deflect the laser. It'll deflect it like a mirror. Okay? So you are not going to cut or etch metal with it. Okay? You can put paint on it and etch the paint off, but it won't actually mark the laser. You need a fiber laser or a very, very powerful CO2 laser, 300 watts and above, and even that will not have much effect on aluminium at all. Okay,